Hi and welcome to Lesson 1.2 of WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, Introduction to Local Pickup Plus. Let's continue from where we left off. Default lead. Time sets the minimum time required before a customer can schedule a pickup. Lead time calculation determines if lead time counts only during open business hours or includes all calendar days. Default time. Deadline sets the latest pickup date based on calendar days. Price and tax. Default price adjustment adds or subtracts a fixed amount from the order for pickup. Pickup location tax applies the tax rate of the selected pickup location. Now, scroll up and click on Pickup Locations. Pickup Locations is a section for managing all pickup locations for your store. The Add New Pickup Location option allows you to create a new pickup location. Import pickup locations imports locations in bulk using a CSV file. Export pickup locations exports locations to a CSV file for backup and editing. The dashboard of pickup locations displays details of the pickup locations such as title, address, city, postal code, state, and country. That concludes the introduction. In this video, we have learned how to manage pickup locations in WooCommerce Local Pickup Plus, including adding, importing, and exporting locations. Well, that wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.